A bit is like a small building block. If you have enough small building blocks, you can put them all together to build something really big. What exactly is a bit? A bit is a word that we use to describe a binary digit. And binary is the language of computers. Now this might sound complicated, but we're going to break it down. The binary system only has two values, a 1 and a 0. We can use a light switch to understand the concept of binary. A light switch is either on or off, and a binary value is also either on or off, represented by a 1 or a 0. Let's put this all together. A bit is a binary digit, and a binary digit is expressed as either a 1 or a 0. Things start to get interesting when we take a bit all by itself and we put it into a group of 8 bits. Now suddenly we have the ability to arrange those 8 bits into 256 unique patterns. Now this is important because if we have a group of 8 bits, we can give that a new name and call it a byte. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. With 256 different patterns, we can assign a value to each of those unique patterns so that a byte represents a character of data. And there's a new term. What is a character? Well, yes, okay, at Disneyland, we know what that means, but in the world of computer science, a character is anything that you can type on your keyboard. Letters, numbers, symbols, each of these represents a character, and each of those characters can correspond to a unique byte. Let's put all of these new terms and concepts together. We began by describing a bit, a binary digit. And we talked about how a group of 8 of those bits creates a byte. And a byte of data is able to represent a single character of information. And that's how all of those ones and zeros, bits and bytes, run around the inside of our computer systems to display the information that we read on our screen.